Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo don't take strong action against kidnapping as im don't start to demolish houses where kidnappers and their accomplices they use. The move follow after the signing of the 2025 amended laws wey go stop kidnapping and related crime. The first house wey dem demolish na 3-bedroom flat for Ilek community Ekpoma where kidnappers they use to hold their victims. During the operation, they recover guns and other dangerous things for the house. Governor Okpebholo showing position through security age Ahere Paul and head of task force Michael Aneto as them talk say the move go send strong message to criminals and show say the governor serious to fight crime for the state.
Well, this is a hard out for the kidnapper. They kidnap, they keep the victim here. So for the new law that the House of Assembly, Edo State government passed, so any house they keep a victim of kidnapping, they will bring the house down. And this is a warning to all the landlord and landlady. Before you give your house to anybody to rent, you must verify who is that person and where he's working. And if you refuse to do that, the same thing that happened to this house will also happen to that landlord or landlady.
We are here because this house, they have been using it to keep victims of kidnapping. And in the process, when the police came to raid this house, 2 arms were found, illegal arms were found, they're used for those kidnapping. And the new law have said, that was passed a bill that was passed into law of recent by the governor, that any house found within the Edo State for kidnapping use should be brought down. I think that's why we are here today. And I think it's a good one because it's going to set a deterrent to others. Anytime you are keeping a tenant in your house, you have to profile that tenant. Go to the police station, any nearest police station, and make the police be aware that this social person is a tenant. Let police help you profile that person before you accommodate anybody in your house to avoid such things.
After the demolition, the people for the community contact say bless with them well with the action and say it go improve safety for the area. One farmer, Anthony Osaiga, praised the governor and say now women go fit go farm without fear of kidnapping. Another person contact say landlords need to do background check on tenants to avoid giving houses to criminals.
Now so it will be make me free for bush. Now for me they go. Now for my life pass. If you say maybe pay me money now, like 70,000, say make I no go farm again, you no go feed my family.
I will give advice to the landlords, at least before you give your house out to anybody, try and know the person you are giving that house to. And again, if you are not around, it's better you keep the house like that than trying to put somebody there that would be taking care of the house. It's a good development to the state government because it's a lesson to others, so they should learn from this one.
One of the suspects wey dem call Small Juju and another suspect, Felix Ekpama, come also chook mouth on top how them take involved for the kidnapping matter.
Because I go kidnap a person. Now one guy with the job results. One guy with the job results with one girl. Carry kidnap two of them. No 2 times I don't kidnap. My name I will change now to go. Me I will be a Pama Felix and this person promise with a demo college with Shebu. We can become a boy. So we kidnap. We don't kidnap. No, not with this house. You get over for the keep there for Uro. Some others they stay said now. They now this in the stay. Some they stay Lucius and they stay data. Now took cut to sign. Now what they take now.
My name is Felix Ekpama. I'm from Urume. This boy, this Small Juju, so now he lure me to kidnap. I never kidnapped before. He come and meet me for her. I say, you know, Sabi drive. Make me come to help and they drive.
The amended law gets strong penalties like death sentence for convicted kidnappers, plus the law go seize and demolish property of anybody where they assist the kidnappers. This one shows say Gov Okpebholo dey serious to boost security for the state. Make una no forget, see, as we see am, no so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. Ekata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.